Welcome back. So today we will be talking about a bit more regarding TradingView. It will be our last one, I think, about TradingView class. So we have these tools: long position, short position, forecast, date range, price range, etc. So we will use them, or we will try to use them to consider how we proceed. Okay. So first of all, let's consider. I was doing some analysis about the next price prediction, but for now, instantaneously, just considering that the market, for example, we consider that the market will go up. Sorry, don't this one. I'm removing all other drawings. Now I consider that the point where the market is right now, it will go upward. Just a prediction, not a prediction, but I'm considering this as a prediction to go forward. So here we are, and we think that the market will go up, and I open a long position from here. So I will see a forecast like this when I click on the screen. Okay, here we have, now they are showing me if I open a long position from here, and my target is opening at 20,471. I target, for example, 21,000. Let's consider 21,000 as our target, but I will stop a bit behind 20,800 because previously it went around this zone. So I will stop here 20,800, and I put my stop loss about here because in this range, if I use those previous tools of trend lines, it was here and here and then here, here. So I consider this point as a resistance, as a support level. So I will put my stop loss below this one. So, and I can also calculate my risk to reward ratio from here. It will show me it above right here. $346 is my target. The loss amount is 750 and profit amount 1478. It's a 2:1. So 2:1 is something that we usually use. So let's consider I have opened a trade from here. Now I can follow how much it goes up, how much it goes down, and I will consider my stop loss and everything from here. I don't have to open my app. Don't have to open my trade. I will just have a look at this point. I will keep considering this position, and I will wait what comes next. You can modify your order anytime, but be strict with your risk to reward ratio and everything. And if you consider the market is going down, here's another point: short position. Just click here. Now you think that the market will go down. Here's the take profit, and the stop loss will be above this point because this is the resistance zone. So here is the stop loss, and the take profit will be at this point. So we can increase it a little bit. So this green area is your profit zone and red area is your loss zone. So these two are the portions that you will consider. Either you are opening a short or long, or a buy or a sell. Okay. So the next thing comes is reset chart, clear drawings. Okay. So the next thing we have is date range and price range. If you try to consider a particular period of time, so you can click on date range from here to, for example, this point. It will tell you how many candles it have right here. 119 candles, 4 days and 23 hours. And the volume during this period is 6.859k. So it's a hourly chart, so this is accordingly. You can open daily chart, click here, go long. It will tell you how much it has: 54 bars, 54 days. So why we use this? Now we're coming to the point. I'm opening a weekly trend. So to consider a long time trend, you have to assume that if the market started from here, let's draw a new one. Date range from this point here till this point, where we consider that it made a bottom. Let's consider 17,500. So it will tell you that it took 217 days to come from this point, the all-time high, 17,500. Now you will go backward, you go to the previous positions, history of Bitcoin. You will again come to this point, another date range from all-time high to the bottom. It took 371 days to make a new market bottom. So now we can consider that actually it takes about 300 days to make a new market bottom, and it's been 271. So we can say that this has not been the bottom, and we can still wait for another bottom of the market. And accordingly you can consider all other factors too, but I was just telling you about finding the date range. And the same is for price range, but a bit opposite. Move drawings. Oops, sorry. Okay, and coming to the price range from this point to this point, how many candles are involved? 41,634, 150% up from this point to this point, 150% up. Or you can put it anywhere else, up and down, and it will tell you how much change we just saw during that particular time period. Now we have some emojis here, we can use them, place somewhere, setting arrow, heart, and a lot more. Here are scales. You can measure something at this point, zooming in, zooming out. Magnets, weak magnet, strong magnet. Okay. Oh, it's I think I was using a zoom point mistakenly. I wasn't supposing to do this. Let's reset the chart, clear the drawings. Here is magnet, weak magnet. Magnet mode is on. Drawing anchor will be snapped to the closest OHLC value of nearby brass. Okay, now if you click on here, okay, got it. Magnet mode is on. You will draw a line from here. It will automatically put that line to the bottom of that, or if you are considering top, on the top of that. And now you can see that the line is exactly starting from the bottom. Okay, now if I turn off the magnet mode, I will do the same thing from here. Now you will see that it's displaced, it's not at the corner, you can see. But if I use, and now I clear the drawings, I do the same thing using magnet. First I make it smaller. Now I use another trend line starting from this point to this. Now you zoom in and it's exactly at the point. So this is how we use the magnet. Okay, so these were a few random things about TradingView. We already discussed a lot. This is the ending of this portion. Now when you will be studying technical analysis, that will help you how to use indicators that I told you we have right here. Okay, it will be in future, but for now we are ending up here. See you again.